Meaning of expedient.
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 Expedient. The word expedient refers to something that is useful or advantageous for achieving a particular goal or purpose. It can be used to describe actions or decisions that may not necessarily be the most ethical or moral, but are taken because they provide an immediate benefit or solve a problem in the short term. The result of taking an expedient action may offer a quick solution, but it may not be sustainable or have long-term benefits. Therefore, it is important to carefully consider the consequences of taking an expedient approach before making a decision.